So I pulled this beautiful card from a nature meditation deck, Hike to Heal, and it got me thinking about how important nature is to my overall well-being. It brings me this sense of peace and gratitude, and truly reminds me of how I am so much a part of just something so much bigger than myself. And then there's also like this wonder, playfulness, and curiosity that come into play when I'm out taking a little stroll, going for a run, or truly just like being one with nature. So, Hike to Heal. Hiking fosters unity with nature. As we move through the forest, traverse a trail, or summit a peak, our bodies become one with the earth. There are moments when our hearts beat in sync with the crunch of gravel underneath our feet, and we feel both vulnerable and strong at the same time. Today, as you walk, imagine you are connected to the healing power of Mother Earth. With each step, envision yourself leaving behind what burdens you and picking up the tools that will strengthen and fortify you. In what ways does being connected to Earth heal you? I hope this message supports you in whatever way you need today. Have a beautiful day.